Have you ever wondered why fireflies glow in the dark? Those tiny lights aren't just magic, they're survival. Inside their bodies, fireflies have a chemical called luciferin. When it reacts with oxygen and ATP, it creates light, almost no heat, just pure energy. This is called cold light, and it's 100% efficient. Fireflies use this light to communicate, attract mates, warn predators, and even protect their territory. Each flash has a pattern, a language of its own. So next time you see a firefly glow, remember, it's not just a light, it's life speaking in the dark.